our first subject for today is grammar. Okay, in the guidelines it says worksheet G1. So here we have G1 and G2. There we have G2. So get those two worksheets out in front of you, please. Then the first thing you do, we know Miss Elizabeth, write your name at the back, please, in the middle. And with this one as well, in the back, at the back, in the middle. The reason I ask for it to be in the middle, grade 2, is because when I cut these, after I've marked them, sometimes I accidentally cut names off. And then we will have to struggle to figure out whose was whose. Okay. Once you've done that, let's take a look at our worksheets. Yesterday we talked about what plurals are, and we said that it means when there is more than one of something. Now these two worksheets are asking you to make the underlined words plurals. So they say, a singular noun names one person, place, or thing. We know that a noun names a person, place, or a thing. For example, one dog barked last night. But a plural noun names more than one person, place, or thing. Okay, so this is all about nouns. So a plural noun names more than one person, place, or thing. That's what we said yesterday as well. Plural means more than one. So, for example, 3 dogs barked last night. Now, I don't know if you can remember the rule that I talked about with you yesterday. I got this paper. Okay, it says rules for plural nouns. We're not going to have a look at all of them, just the ones that are pertinent to us at the moment. So it says, look at this little block. It says, add s to form the plural for most of your nouns. Okay, so most nouns like dog, banana. Remember we said when it has a solid sound at the end, like g or a, it means just add a s. Easy peasy, just add a s. Then they say, add s to nouns that end in s, x, z, ch, and sh. Listen to all of those sounds. All of those sounds are very close to the s sound. S, x, z, ch, sh. Like this. Bus, buses. Fox, foxes. Quiz, quizzes. Church, churches. Bush, bushes. Okay, so all of those sounds get a s at the back. This block I don't want you to worry about now. We will deal with that next week. This one, for nouns that end in year with a vowel before the year, just add s. Okay, easy enough. It's like we said with this sound. If it has a solid sound at the back, which is my E or my A, it's one solid sound. It's not close to s, so we just add s at the back. Turkey, turkeys. Tray, trays. This one we will deal with next week. This one, for nouns that end with a consonant before an O, add s. So a consonant or, I want you to keep to what I said last night. If any word ends in a sound that doesn't end in a s, x, z, ch, or sh, it just gets a s. So mosquito, mosquito. Oh wait, this one is different though. If it ends in an O, it gets a s. That's the one exception to the rule. That's the one thing that makes the rule not work that way. Okay, so anything that sounds like a s, or if it ends in an O, it gets a s. The rest only get s. Mosquito, mosquitoes, but you add another e. Okay, so this one is actually very important to remember. So if it ends in an O, a s, a x, a z, a ch, or a sh, it's a s. All of the others, just s. And these ones we will deal with next week. So let's have a look at your worksheets. Rewrite each sentence. Grade 2, I don't just want to see the word here. You see that they say rewrite each sentence. You are going to rewrite the entire sentence for me. Okay? Don't be lazy. Don't just write the word down. I want to see the entire sentence. It says, I saw a cat walking on the sidewalk. So our sentence will be, and remember, capital letters, full stops. I saw. Now you can choose. Is it 2 cats? Is it 3 cats? Is it 4 cats? Whatever. Anything more than 1. I saw, let's say, I almost wrote the number. 3 cats, because it ends in a t. Cats walking on the sidewalk. Full stop. Okay. My mom read a book to me before bedtime. My mom read 2 or 7 books to me before bedtime. I had 1 pancake for breakfast. I had 30 pancakes for breakfast. We ran a lap in gym class today. Tom played with his friend at recess. You can decide whether that's just a s or if it's a s. So that you can pause the video now if you want, finish this worksheet, but I'm going to carry on and discuss G2. Okay, it says, add s to singular nouns that end with sh, ch, x, z, and s to make them plural. But we know that o is also one of them there at the top. Okay. Rewrite each sentence. Sentence again. I don't just want to see words. I want to see the sentence. To change the singular noun to a plural noun. Please only grey pencil with these worksheets, okay? I ate a peach for a snack. I ate 3 peaches for a snack. So you can decide what plural you want to do. Whether you want to do 2 of something, 100 of something, 50 of something. Whatever more than 1. A plural is anything more than 1. So there is a dish on the table. It's a sh sound, so we know we have to add a s. So, and remember, we don't say there is 12 dishes. We say there are 12 dishes on the table. You don't have to use 12. As soon as it is a plural, is becomes a R. Not always, not always. That was a lie. That was a lie. Okay, I made a wish on a falling star. It ends in sh, so it's going to get a S. You can choose how many wishes you made. The mailman brought a box to the house. We found a toothbrush in the bathroom. I saw a bus at the school. Okay, so you go rewrite those sentences. You can choose how many of each there were. A plural just means more than 1. So whichever number you are comfortable with, whichever one you want to use, remember your name at the back, please, and only with grey pencil. Okay. Good luck.